Okay, we're back. Here's what I've accomplished, and here's what we're going to do today. So I managed to get all the rust in all the tight spaces there and there. This area and that area not yet. I primed everything and painted some sections of it already black just to see how it looked. Got this side here, got this side here. This side actually has some basic clear coat on it just so I could see how it works, but it's never, this won't be seen. The fender will go right on top of it and cover it. This also won't be seen, so it was a good place to do the experiment. This is the other side. It looks much better with better lighting, but that is where we are right now. The thing that I underestimated is that I thought I could just order a frame and within a few days it will be here. Frame takes a couple months to get here, unfortunately. So for the past month, really couldn't do anything. So what I've done instead, besides painting and removing as much rust as possible, is I did cut the transmission tunnel. There's an episode on that on both the outside and the inside. I'll show you right here. You can actually see light, and putting this together is going to be a nightmare. But I can't just sit around and do nothing while I wait for parts or to get the right equipment to weld the transmission tunnel or glue it. I haven't decided yet. But another thing that I'm undecided about is that I removed the HVAC box, got all that space, and I don't think the car is going to have heat, and I don't think the car is going to have AC as of right now. So here are the parts. 30 years in the making. 30 years of old dirt, dust, hair, whatever accumulated in there. Look at that. We breathe that. So what I want to do today is I want to clean these. I don't know if I'm going to use them, but if I decide I'm going to use them, I want them to be ready. Be clean, ready to use, new heater core. That's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to clean them. I'm going to disassemble, clean as much as I can, rinse them with water or whatever, and yeah, let's get right into it. The good thing about this is that they are mechanical. You pull this, you open and close flaps. Besides the blower, there's no electronics in here, so if I really wanted to, I could just hose this down. But look how much dirt accumulates over the time. So let's start with the cold side. Some styrofoam insulation, lots of dirt, and this is thick, dirty, it's filthy. Oh, that's much better. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but disintegrating. Let's split this open. Let's take the blower motor off first. Almost a bird's nest in here. going to power wash this real quick. Basically everything is disintegrated. That's supposed to be foam. No, it's just whatever. Get that. Alright, let's power wash this real quick. The water removed basically all the foam. Okay, so before I reassemble, I need to buy new foam. To find out what kind of foam it is, it has to be adhesive. Goes on both sides of the flaps. On all the flaps actually, even the ones that I moved back here. The foam will go on both sides. What I'm gonna do next time is I'm gonna clean up those areas right there. Make sure it's nice and square so it looks good. Probably find the right plates to weld, be spaced. Same thing there. And then on the inside of the car, we will need to reassemble the steering column where it belongs and then start cleaning up inside. I thought it would be much quicker, but frame is not here. There's not much else I can do in terms of engine and transmission, but there's always work to do. Maybe we can work on this rust, flex seal this, rust down there as well, both sides, but that's for the next episode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and maybe leave a comment or two.